Hello everyone, welcome back to another project video. It makes me very excited that you're back here, ready to create more art. In this week's projects, we're going to learn how to draw an animal and how to add texture in a very unique way. Most mammals have their bodies covered in fur, and sometimes when we draw it, it's very difficult to add that element. So I'm going to show you a very easy, simple way to do it, but also very cute. And of course, we're going to take advantage of the season and cozy it up a bit. So for this project, we're going to use a colored paper and a white crayon. We're also going to use scissors and glue. If you don't have colored paper, then you skip this step, and all you're going to need is a white paper, pencil, eraser, and something to color with. So if you're ready, let's make. If you have colored paper, choose a cool dark color such as green, purple, or blue. With the white crayon, we're going to draw snowflakes all over the paper. One way I draw snowflakes is by drawing the letter X first, and then right in the middle of the letter X, I draw a plus sign. Fill up the paper with as many snowflakes as you can do. And then in between the empty spaces, draw little white circles for snow. You could also sprinkle dots all around the paper to make it even more snowy. Color paper away, and let's start with the drawing. For that, we're going to need white paper, a black marker or a black crayon, a pencil, and an eraser. Let's start by doing an oval right in the middle of the paper. I'm going to measure 4 fingers starting at the top of the paper going down, and then 4 fingers at the bottom, marking 2 lines so that I know the height of my oval. Then on the side, I'm going to measure 3 fingers on the left and 3 fingers on the right, and I'm going to use these lines to make an oval. This is similar to what we did on our last project, the sun and the moon. Once you have your oval completed, then let's draw the ears of our bear. They are rounded half ovals at the top of the head. Then let's make the shoulders, which are just 2 curved lines coming out from the bottom of the head to the bottom of the paper. At the bottom of the face, let's draw a tall oval. This will be the snout. On the top of the new oval, draw an upside down triangle for the nose. It is kind of a big nose. Draw a small line coming down from the nose and then add a smile. For the eyes, draw 2 little ovals on top of the snout. And finally, let's add a sweater. On the top of the shoulder parts of the bear, draw an L shape, and then do the same on the opposite way, the right side, and do a backwards letter L. Join the line together by adding a curved line. This will be the neck part of the sweater. Finally, add 2 curved horizontal lines along the sweater. We will make patterns in here later. Next, trace and color in the eyes, the nose, and the mouth of the polar bear. Draw smaller half ovals inside of the ear, and let's begin drawing the little hairs of our polar bear. Using little dashed lines, go around the inner part of the ear, filling it out with patterns of little lines going all around and filling out the whole ear except the middle part of it. Repeat on the second ear. Using the same technique, go around the snout, making little tiny lines all around it. We're going to keep the snout clear from any hairs, but we're going to start filling out the rest of the face with these little dashed lines. Once you have completed adding texture to your whole bear, let's make sure to erase all of those pencil lines that we don't need anymore. Trace the sweater of your bear, adding the lines that we drew and patterns. You can choose whatever shape or drawing that you want to make for the pattern. This is all up to you. Don't forget to also erase the pencil lines of your drawing. Then let's color the sweater with very bright and beautiful colors. If you don't have a color paper, then just color the background of your polar bear with a solid color. If you did find a color paper and you drew these snowflakes, then take a pair of scissors and cut around your bear. Bring your color paper and glue your polar bear right on top of it, making sure the bottom part of both papers aligned. And you're done. We have made a beautiful winter polar bear with a nice and bright, cozy sweater, very seasonal. Great job! As always, I wish you had a lot of fun creating this project, and as always, I thank you for allowing me in your time and your space and for creating with me. I'll see you again next week. Bye!